Hey, so I start with some delicious turkey bacon. Yeah, I use the Hill Country brand, and this bacon is everything. I tell you, it gives you the right crunch, it gives you the right flavor. I've never had a bacon. I've never had bacon that really had this type of flavor and this type of crunch that I've been looking for. And I tell you, I thank you, Hill Country. You need to call yourself Hill Crunchy, okay? Because it's amazing. Breakfast. Even though you had breakfast, but you want to mix a brunch and lunch. Well, breakfast and lunch. That's why we call it brunch time. All right. So I found this at HEB. 2G net carbs. Okay. Look at this. We are winning. 2 grams net carbs. Yes. Only 70 calories. Okay. Time for bread that rises to your flavor expectations. And it's pretty good. Pretty good. Now it's time for the omelet, baby. I gotta have my omelet looking dope. You know what I'm saying? I want my omelet to have like this little bit of, flavor, but at the same time it has like personality. So it has a little crispiness on one side, but then, as you cut into it, it just kind of have a little juiciness. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't ask me questions. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Now it's time to dice and add some flavor. Here you go. These will make any dish just come to life. I use it on everything. When I say pretty much everything, I have gotten truly addicted to these peppers, and they are everything to me. I don't just top it with salad. I know it says it's for salads, but trust me, two faces. That's what it's all about, growing, okay? I do this for you guys, so I want to know who you are. All right, there you go. So we have a little bit of color that's going to be coming in here, okay? All right, you said you from, where is it? Alberta. All right, Alberta in the house. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, let me know where you from. All right, some people do it differently. Now, you either use like a masher. I just use a fork. I mean, hey, to each his own. Nothing special, because this avocado was pretty ripe. So it's going to be easy to get what I need. All right, now, so we got all of our avocados mashed and ready to go. We have our delicious peppers, our assorted sweet and spicy peppers, and our onions. Now it is time to grab our tomatoes. And we're going to also dice up a little bit of, no, not dice, but slice. We're going to slice some grapefruit on the side just to add a little pizzazz when we, are eating our meal. Because everybody loves a good grapefruit on the side. Well, at least I do. I don't know about you, but I do. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is what we're going to have with our bacon. Just like that. And I want it pretty thick, because I'm going for a happy avocado toast, okay? I'm going for happiness. Yeah. I'm going for happiness. Y'all didn't know that? That's what you do when you want to make yourself happy? Yeah, you pile it on thick. That's what you do. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do the seasonings in just a second. Okay? Some of my crushed black pepper. Okay? My omelet. Okay, just like that. Get a little bit of onion. A little bit of onion. A little bit of peppers. A little bit of tomatoes. Just like that. A little bit of some more of my peppers. Okay. And what I'm going to do on this toaster going to be a little bit different. I'm putting my bacon on the side on this one, okay? Kind of like break it up a little bit so it can fit. There you go. Just like that. Put a little bit of some of my peppers on this one. Okay, and I'm going to get my nutritional yeast. Oh, yes. Y'all know when the food is good, it make you start singing to yourself as if you could sing, okay? Well, I don't know. Maybe there's some people out there that can't sing. I can't. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I'm gonna tell y'all I can entertain you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and top it just like that. With the peppers and some grapefruit, okay? Eating healthy is always great when it tastes great, okay? Y'all hear me crunching? Because that's how crunchy the bacon is, and it tastes amazing. Get you some Hill Crunch. I was going to say Hill Crunchy. Get you some Hill Country bacon so you can have a real crunch in your life, okay? Because I'm about to go in. I'm excited. I'm happy. Put me a little bit more black pepper on here. It's about to go down, okay? So I hope y'all enjoyed how to make a simple brunch with me. I'm gonna be doing this more often. I love cooking, so go ahead and follow me. Follow me on YouTube as well. And yeah, I gotta get out my son's way because he's trying to get to the air fryer. He's looking at me like, Mama, can you get out my way so I can get my food? He better bag back. Okay, bye y'all. I love you.